that's, I don't know what our highest one was before, but it wasn't anywhere near that.
Yeah, he was gonna give me a
Hey, finally, decides he wants to film.
Oh, hey. Decides he wants to cooperate.
Decides he wants to film, man.
Kid can't even read.
God, I remember that one time I was like sick right around COVID, and Matt called me separately. He was like, "Listen, if you f***ing come in this shop and you give me f***ing COVID, and Nicole gets it, I'm gonna kill you."
Get strep throat a week after COVID comes.
I mean, obviously, it's just.
To be fair, Eric gets it every month, so you know. So Eric is getting ready for the Pro Charger kit. He's already got the cam done, valve springs done, headers on, yeah, and everything. Lower on, stock heads. We obviously still have to do a fuel system, meth system. Excuse me. What else we got? Yeah, should be about it.
Catch cam. Wheels.
Valve covers or no?
Valve covers.
Okay. It's getting wheels too. What wheels? Welds or something? Nice. Gen Camaro.
Yes,
Frankenstein heads, our cam package. Came in with an intake and headers with no cats to Corsa. We changed it to American Racing. Still no cats. We also put a rotofab on it. 448 was the baseline. Also, you said when you were flashing it, it had like 38% E or something in it. We just drained the fuel out of it, so it's pretty much pump gas. We'll see what it does on pump. Then we're gonna put some E in it and see what it does on E.
Go from there.
So yeah, heads cam, intake.
First car we've done this heads cam package on.
Yeah. Frankenstein boys.
Try them out.
RPM series. LT1 Frankenstein boys. I like these wheels on this thing. It looks good.
I don't know why they have he has the spacers on the front.
Yeah, they're poked quite a bit out.
Makes it stick out further. I think without the spacers, they would actually sit really nice. But whatever, it's not my car.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they got like a weird offset that wouldn't clear the
caliper or something, maybe, yeah.
Who knows? Let's see what you can do. You need a monster.
Hey, you.
Maybe a little guy.
Tired. Baby's sick.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not good.
No. Just about getting over it, but I'm not yet. I need to catch up on some sleep.
Everybody got that stupid cold.
Yeah, thanks, Matt.
Pretty damn killer right off the bat.
Yeah.
It's nice doing one of these in manual to see like the potential. Because the last like 3 we've done have all been autos. One of them was a converter that ate up a bunch of power.
Yeah.
that? I just put in?
It's at 53.
Okay. Pretty good?
Yeah, I mean, we've never, I don't know what our highest one was before, but it wasn't anywhere near that.
Yeah, no. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, most of the ones we did were autos in the 550 neighborhood.
I mean, we've done plenty of manual Transstars.
I know. I'm just thinking of like the Jammin' one. That was the Ontario one. That was manual. That had an MSD. That made 530. That was just our cam. No heads.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah, I know.
2 years.
Last year.
Yeah.
I can't think of a heads cam manual 6 gen that that's all. Either way, now we have a new comparable comparison to compare it to.
Sure,
5 times
sure
faster.
got that, yep. Our hoodies come?
Yeah, they are here.
Good.
I'm already going to do a merch plug before this video, so.
So you're going to go take, you didn't even film it yet then?
I need to go get one, so, yeah. I'm aware.
So you're doing past tense?
Well, it's still future. For tomorrow, for right now. But when this video airs, it would have been like a week ago.
Gotcha.
Man, this thing filmed like 3 minutes ago.
Understood.
It's pretty damn good. Go any more E or no?
I don't know if it'll get up any.
That's what she said.
It's pretty much a full tank. That's
Sorry, I
fine.
had to.
It's like 3/4 of the tank.
Throw in like 3 or 4 gallons. You know, try it.
That ain't gonna do anything. For power wise, at least.
It went up.
I mean, what's it gonna get up to? 56
18
and
from pump. So
yeah, I mean it's gonna get it up to like 56.
yeah, it's not gonna do it. It's pretty good though.
Yeah, should be happy with that.
So Andrew is working on this, well, dirty 5th gen. Sick light bar, Jerry.
Got half of it on because I'm only working on this half of the car, you know what I'm
Is that how you conserve lighting?
saying? Yep. Conserve the battery too. So never be dead on me.
Is that what it is?
Never be dead on me.
Super dim in here. So what are we doing to this L99 5th gen Camaro?
Heads cam.
Nice.
I don't know exactly what else, but I'll find out
Okay.
once I get my sheet of paper. Let me turn another half for you. There you go. There you go. You need the full.
Almost as much light as a normal light bar.
Yeah, it's actually twice as bright.
No, it's really not. Matt's Eric Saber is way better.
Dude, I don't know, dude.
It also, you have to think about it, has 4 times the amount of LEDs in it. Yours literally just has 2 little spots. 100%. So Eric's got the Pro Charger mounted up there. It ain't me, pal. Dude, I do smell it too.
Probably dick face sucking on his jewel back there or something.
Jerry the Jewel Sucker. Jerry is cam ready.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. I'm waiting all day.
You ready for Thanksgiving?
Ready for Thanksgiving? Sure.
You're not ready for the food?
Oh, I'm ready.
What's your favorite thing to eat at Thanksgiving? Please tell me cranberry sauce.
Yeah, from the can.
Yeah, that's the best.
Legit stuff.
Yeah.
Alright, I thought you were gonna say some. It's not my favorite. I would probably say leftovers, to be honest with you.
Leftovers is pretty good.
That's my favorite part. I love having like turkey sandwiches like 2 days after.
That is pretty good.
Yeah, we know you like a turkey sandwich.
What's that supposed to mean, Matthew?
I think we both know what it's supposed to mean.
Is that
I don't get it.
I don't get it either.
I'm not sure where he's going with this.
I'm not either.
Must be the Mucinex again.
Yeah, seriously, what the hell? So Cam is in. We're doing, what heads are we doing? Are we doing Frankenstein or AI?
AI.
AI boys.
Some AI boys.
Sweet. You gotta clean this thing up all nice and neat like. Look at you. Picking one bug off after another. What a guy. What's your favorite part?
Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Oh, probably homemade biscuits. And then you put everything inside the biscuit and eat it. Dude, mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, stuffing, turkey, a little bit of cranberry sauce.
Yeah, but you put breadcrumbs on your mac and cheese. So
yeah, that's the correct way to do it.
No.
It's the correct way to do it.
No, it's not.
One day your taste buds will grow up, and
you're like 10 years younger than me. Fucking Jerry over here cracking jokes, talking about taste as he's drinking.
Up a cock or two.
As he's drinking a Red Bull at like 9:30 in the morning.
Yeah, getting ready to talk my fucking.
Taste buds, really? Taste buds.
yeah, they told me I talked a lot yesterday.
Maybe you can be a real man and drink black coffee like real men.
I don't know, dude. Red Bull's definitely the way to go.
At 9:30 in the morning, no, it's too sugary.
Top pick, quarter mile, 7:40, 188. The crew is very happy with that run.
But yeah, I mean, beyond pumped that it did that. My fastest pass ever. First pass down the track after having the whole drivetrain ripped out of this thing.
Murray Stanley, left lane, the GTR. Timed out.
Almost went 150 in the 8. Oh, 471. Damn, babe.
Yeah.
I gotta slow that down.
Brady Johnson right there, 121 short today. French hits 112. Race Proven Motorsports gonna go 734 with a 7 to 190. His best pass out right there as Brady Johnson goes 783, 176. There you have it. French Chance goes 470 in the 8th mile. I'm just saying.
733 at 190. 47 flat at 150 to the 8th.
Import versus domestic. Currently in the right-hand side. Oh, man, going to the wheel stand. Oh, look out. He is done. French Chance going to go 749 to 183 with the wheels coming up. And he's going to take the victory.
The obvious race cars on the dyno.
Yeah.
What are your goals here?
More than last time.
Okay, that's a good goal. If you didn't know what it made last time, here's the video. Go watch it. Check it out.
I'd like to make 1,500.
Okay.
I don't know if I'll push it that far on the dyno, but in reality, it should.
People are amazed at how. I don't want to say little it made, but they're like, what? It made
1248 last
through a Glide 9-inch and everything.
I just did a little half pole, made 1,100 something.
That's
got my way.
Okay, headphones on. Stings the nostrils. That was the last time it was on the dynos at Red Bull, 1247. Obviously, he's starting out slow. That pole was just 1243. Oh, ow. Not gonna lie, it smells like pure gasoline.
It's not gasoline.
I'm quoting Anchorman, which you've never seen, so you wouldn't get it.
Sorry.
Stings the nostrils.
Okay.
60% of the time, it works every time.
I know that line.
Well, that's from the same scene.
Gotcha.
Well, you just made 1260.
More than last time.
Yeah. Once again, you didn't really push it too hard last time. Mainly do it at the strip.
Yeah.
This is probably more so just to dial in.
Yeah. Exactly what it is.
A lot of things are different. Obviously, I know I don't want to distract you too much.
I just don't want to stay here too late and do this.
Yeah. They already made it 6 days.
That's better. That was like another degree of timing.
So no torque reading because we didn't hook up taxing or anything like that. So just horsepower. And probably not even fully leaning on it, are you? You said you're not going to on the dyno.
No, I'm not even close to leaning on it.
Okay. Did you at least get what you needed? Kind of.
Still has oil pressure, rods are still on the block.
That's a plus. Okay. There you guys go. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. We do have some more things to work on Fran's race car. We have some tweaks to be made. We still not 100% finished. Not sure if he's going to go more on the dyno. Stay tuned. Maybe future weeks we will see it on there, but obviously the season is pretty much ending, so I don't think we're going to get any track time at least until the new year. But for now, you can get our new t-shirts and hoodies on the website, raceprovenmotorsports.com. Get them while they're in stock. Don't know how much longer they'll be here, and obviously if you want them by Christmas, order them now. We'll make sure that they get to you. That's it. We'll see you guys next week.